Are you ready to grow your own delicious cantaloupe? Imagine picking fresh, juicy melons. In this guide, we'll show you everything you need to know. Whether you're a pro or just starting, this is for you. Growing cantaloupe starts with choosing the right seeds. Look for high-quality seeds. Popular varieties include Hale's Best, Idubal, and Sugarbell. Each has unique flavors and textures. Next, prepare your garden bed. Cantaloupes prefer warm soil. Aim for temperatures above 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Clear the area of weeds and rocks. Loosen the soil with a gardening fork. Now it's time to plant. Plant seeds about 1 inch deep. Space them 3 feet apart. If you want earlier melons, start seeds indoors. Transplant them outdoors when the weather is warm. Watering is crucial. Cantaloupes need about 1 inch of water weekly. Water deeply, especially during dry spells. Avoid wetting the leaves to prevent diseases. Fertilization helps your melons thrive. Use a balanced fertilizer. Apply it every few weeks during growing season. Too much nitrogen can lead to lush leaves, not fruit. As your cantaloupes grow, watch for pests. Common pests include aphids and cucumber beetles. Hand-pick pests or use natural repellents. A healthy garden will yield tasty fruit. You're likely wondering when to harvest your cantaloupe. Look for a cream-colored spot on the bottom. The netting should be pronounced. Gently lift the fruit to check for readiness. Once harvested, enjoy your sweet cantaloupe. Slice it for snacking or use in salads. The taste of homegrown fruit is unbeatable. In summary, growing cantaloupe is straightforward. Start with quality seeds, prepare your soil, and water regularly. With the right care, your garden will overflow with melons. Ready to start your cantaloupe journey? Visit your local garden center today and get started. Happy gardening!